Good morning, YouTube. This is Thundermane, and um, let's get it started. So today, like I posted from yesterday, Pokemon cards. Let's go. Now I'm gonna do this one last because it feels special to me. Now the one I'm gonna do is I'll do this one first, and then I'll do this one second. All right. First and foremost, let's do this. First card of the day. Oh, that wasn't that wasn't good. God, why is it so hard to open this like when it's in the early in the morning? Come on. And sploinky. Oh, there we go. Son of a bitch. Oh. Wow. Okay. Who knew this pack would be in here? Okay. Okay, here we go. Right. Okay, and for those who have the Pokemon trading card online, pretty cool, right? Here we go. First card. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'll tell you that much. So excited. Alright. Hello, Alakazam Spirit Link. Okay. Okie dokie. Starting off with the trainer card. Alright. Ooh, Loudred. And really good art too. Alright. Oh, cool. Dugong. Honestly, Dugong looks phenomenal. Most beautiful. Alright. Let's see here. Next card. Oh, Mandibuzz. Oh, right. These are the new type of Pokemon too. I'm dumb. Alright, Mandibuzz. Here we go. Oh, yo! I think this is called like a Hollowback Bronzong. If I'm correct. Comment down below if this is a hollow card. Hollow card, my old friend. Alright. Whew. Here we go. Hey, Seal. Alright. We got two Pokemon. Seal and Dugong. Yay. Ah, there we go. Alright. Next card, Rooney. Who's it's Snubble underneath the table. That's cool. Some trainers like, Snubble, what are you doing here? Snubble's cute. Other than that mad face, you know. Okay, here we go. Boom. Fennekin. Fennekin with Chikorita. Oh. Man, if Fennekin was real, I'd just keep them and, train them hard. And reason why I say them and not him or her is because Fennekin has two genders, male and female. So hence them. Alright, here we go. Boom. Jigglypuff with Snivy and Spoink. Okay. Good art though. Jigglypuff. Alright, last card. Boom. Ha 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 ha. We have Snivy there, and now we have Snivy here. Awesome. Alright. Alright. Heal 10 damage from this Pokemon. That's it? Okay. Alright. That was good. That was really, like, unexpected to get a holo back from, like, right off the bat, you know? Alright, here we go. This. Hey, we got Lugia on this one. Nice. So that's 2 packs with Lugia on the front. Alright. Try not to get a cut from this. Even though they're very flimsy. Wow. Okay. Don't ruin the cards now. Alright, here we go. No, wait. That's way. Alright, first and foremost, Lekot with the QR code. Alright. Put that there. Unshuffled. There we go. Skadushi. Hey, nice! Scorched Earth. Once during each player's turn, the player may discard a fire or a steel type, I believe, energy card from his or her hand. If that player does so, he or she draws 2 cards. Cool. Alright, trainer card is in here. Alright. Sorry for my lack of, excitement, because I just woke up and I know I look dead and I sound dead, so, bear with me now. Well, bear with me actually. There we go. Delusion. I think that, like a plasma cell, Pokemon type of whatever, I don't know. Most Pokemon are kind of like, random things, but hey, fun stuff, And here we go. Hey, Conker's gone. Come on, focus there. Okay. But yeah, it's cute how Conker's has a baby in its pouch. In their pouch, actually. Wait, Conker's has. Is it only female? Or is there male too? I need to do some research. Right. Next card. Hey, Marowak. Bodyguard and Bone Ring. Saga. I'm kidding. There we go. Ooh, another hollow bag. Pupitar? Yeah, Pupitar. Is it just me, or are these like very beautiful. Money. Alright, that's 2 hollowbacks. Ain't got no hollowback, girl. Total Crunch. Alright, next one. Bronzor. That's cool. Now we have Bronzong, and now we have Bronzor. Nice. It's cool how that you get to collect Pokemon cards and probably sell them for money, but you know, who knows. Here we go. Oh, Spinxino. Oh, it has like that little cute pop bean print thing, and on the bottom too. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. All right, here we go. Oh, the deerlings. If they're pink, I believe they're spring or summer. No, summer's green or summer pink. One of the two, summer, spring. Comment down below if you know which deerling this is, summer or spring. All right, last 2 cards for the second deck. Here we go. Shikadushi. Who are you? Oh, Carping. Wait a minute. Are these guys like huge? Like, I don't know. But I don't know. Alright, last card. If this is Lucario or Riolu, game over for me. Another Fennekin card, but Fennekin breathing fire. Ooh. Invite out. Okay. Okie dokes. Nice. Alright. Last pack, baby. Let's do this. Ooh. I felt that. I just hit my nose. Alright. 3 for 3, baby. Alright. Final deck for today. Let's see this. Let's see this. Let us see what do we get. Yo, let go. There you go. Focused. Alright. Pure luck on this one. Oh hey, the trainer's card. The Pokemon fan club. Okay, honestly, these guys are cute, including the little baby right there. That's just a Pancham. That's cute. That's really cute. Alright. Oh god, I wish I had luck on this one, because I really do need like a hollowback Lucario, hollowback Riolu, or like maybe a V card. Well, not that V card, but you know, the Ultra card, like a rare one. Just imagine that, me getting a rare card like on this card right here. Never mind. This thing hates me. Ooh, Altaria Spirit Link. Okay. Oh no, these are the N card. Becomes M Altaria EX. Okay, so I need to find the EX card. The M Pokemon name EX. Okay. Dome Fossil. Oh, Caputo. Nice. I mean, the trainer's cards are nothing special, I guess, but, you know, it's whatever. Oh, ooh, Superior. Oh, that's awesome. Huh. Well, first card for the day. I never had a Superior card. Nice. Alright, next card. I take everything back what I said about the trainer card. It's a holoback trainer card. Last is special. So I guess these are pretty rare or common? I don't know. Comment down below if these are common, the holobacks. Alright, here we go. Oh, another Fennekin card. With Cyndaquil. Or not Cyndaquil, Chikorita. Alright. Jigglypuff. Oh, these are the uncommon ones. So these are like, you know, you get these every day. Alright. Snivy. So these are like some of the repeat ones. Lame. Deerling. Really? 식사하려나? 식사하려나?
내가 하는 장 가면 줄게.
그래? 네. 나 창문 열을게요.
내가 열려.
네, 하면 예쁘네. Sorry guys, that was my grandma. Alright, last card. Wish me luck. Card. Well, no luck for getting Riolu or Lucario. But hey, at least we got these three. Ooh, this one feels thick. Whoops. So these are pretty thick. Alright. So, thank you for... Alright, so thank you guys for watching my videos. Sorry for the cut there. Well, not the cut, but the disturbance from my grandma, but it's fine, you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys later on TikTok and further, you know, new videos on YouTube. I will try to post a lot more on YouTube and more vlogs as much as I can, but other than that, I will be pretty much busy off cam. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.